How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your WhatsApp account, but you are not being able to have access to it. It might be because you have done some activities that is against the community guidelines of WhatsApp. But if you haven't done anything but you are still not being able to log into your account, in that case what you can do is first of all head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Scroll down and head over to this site. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Tap on Help Center. Once again tap on this three horizontal line. Head over to Accounts and Account Bans. Click on Account Bans. Now tap on About Account Bans. Slide down and right here you'll get to see the option of Email Us. Tap on it. Right here inside WhatsApp Messenger Support, tap on Contact Us. So right here you need to fill up some of your information. First of all, enter your phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Then enter your email address right here. Re-enter your email address. Select the device that you are currently using. Once you are done, right here in this section, write the problem that you have been facing. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have written. Once you are done filling up all of the information, tap on the next step and your report will be sent to the WhatsApp team. And hopefully within 24 hours, your problem will be solved. So this is the end of the video and this was a tutorial video on how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.